Hello, little explorers! Today, let's meet Elmo, a big, friendly elephant. Elmo loves to stomp through the jungle. Stomp, stomp, stomp! But one sunny morning, something funny happened. Elmo got the hiccups! Hic! A little mouse squeaked. Try holding your breath. Elmo? So, Elmo took a deep, deep breath. He held it and held it. But then, hic! A huge gust of wind blew out. Whoosh! All the leaves from a tall tree flew away, dancing in the sky. All the jungle animals laughed and cheered. Again! Elmo! Again! Elmo giggled, and with one more big hic, he sent a shower of colorful flowers flying everywhere. Even hiccups can be fun sometimes. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories. Bye-bye.